Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Honor View 20. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. Now scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. Now your account has been deleted, so let's recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And now, as you can see, my account is deleted, and to recover it, I have to click Next. And now I have to enter my password. And then scroll down and click Accept. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.